South Caldwell. I picked this up at the Social Studies Conference back in February. It was one about the Holocaust. There was a guy in Eastern North Carolina that teaches an entire Holocaust class. But Aaron's giving you out copies right now. I was going to scan, but couldn't figure out how to attach it and all that stuff. Anyway, just ignore the first page for right now when you get it. But I use this when I introduce the Holocaust. The idea of the election of Adolf Hitler is the name of this lesson. And basically it divides the three political parties into three different platforms, and the only way they're recognized is A, B, or C. And then basically what you do is you have six different personal accounts from people living in Germany prior to 1933. I basically just divide the class into 6 groups, and then I give each of them a different person. And they basically read about the problems that that person is facing in Germany prior to the start of World War II. In the election of Adolf Hitler in 1933. And basically, I have each group kind of read about that person, and then each group shares kind of what that person is going through in Germany. And then, of course, you can talk about, how World War I ended, and the blame, and the reparations, and all of that, and the effect it had on the German economy. And so then, after they read about the individual person and share it with the class, then I basically give each group the 3 different platforms, and I ask them to tell me, based on the person they read about, how would that person vote? Would they vote for platform A, platform B, platform C? Basically which one is best for Germany at the time. And then after that, I have each kid go back to their seat. I give them a little piece of paper, and I basically go over all the platforms with them, and I ask them to put themselves in the shoes of the people in Germany, and which person would they vote for? Which platform would they vote for? I've done this 3 times. They always vote for platform C, which is the fascist platform, and they elect Adolf Hitler, basically. I think this helps explain to them, all the German people weren't bad. They thought they were doing what was best for them at the time, which is kind of fascinating when they're done. And then the first page, I included that too. I didn't put this on the website, but basically, I do this when I'm done with the Holocaust, and you basically assign blame for the Holocaust. There's tons of different categories here represented by colors, from Adolf Hitler to the Nazi soldiers that were working in the camps to the Allied leaders who kind of turned their heads and didn't do anything. And then they have to fill out a pie chart assigning the blame, and I have each kid kind of share theirs and why they chose the person, or why they gave the most blame to this group. It's kind of fascinating. Of course, there's no right or wrong answer here, but it makes them think about, the ideas of, setting aside and doing nothing and simply bad. So that's it. Questions?